10 Best Quotes of Film. Whatever Happened to Baby Jane? 1962. A 1962 psychological thriller film directed by Robert Aldrich, starring Bette Davis and Joan Crawford. Aging sisters Blanche Crawford and baby Jane Hudson Davis live together in a decaying Hollywood mansion. Jane is a former vaudeville child star from the 1910s, but her fame disappeared a long time ago. Blanche, meanwhile, was a successful film actress in the 30s but was crippled in a mysterious car accident involving Jane and is now confined to a wheelchair. Jane is mentally disturbed, an alcoholic, and greatly resents Blanche. When she learns that Blanche plans to sell the mansion and put her in a sanitarium, things really start to go downhill. Blanche, Jane, do you remember when I first came back after the accident? Jane, you promised you wouldn't ever talk about that again. Blanche, I know I did. But I'm still in this chair. After all those years, I'm still in this chair. Doesn't that give you some kind of responsibility? Jane, I'm just trying to explain to you how things really are. You wouldn't be able to do these awful things to me if I weren't still in this chair. Jane, but you ***, Blanche. You *** in that chair. Dr. Shelby, I don't quite understand. Is this some kind of emotional disturbance you're talking about? Blanche, yes, she's emotionally disturbed. She's unbalanced. Jane, it's just that nosy Mrs. Bates going on about your picture last night. Blanche, oh, really, did she like it? Jane, imitating Blanche's voice, oh, really, did she like it? She liked it. Jane Hudson, but you are, Blanche. You are in that chair. Blanche Hudson, Jane, I want to talk to you. Jane Hudson, you mean all this time we could have been friends? Blanche Hudson, you wouldn't be able to do these awful things to me if I weren't still in this chair. Jane Hudson, you wouldn't be in this chair if it wasn't for me. Edwin Flagg, you know we've got rats in the cellar. Jane Hudson, I'm writing a letter to Daddy. His address is heaven above. Blanche Hudson, I've written a letter to Daddy, saying please, come home. Jane Hudson, I've been thinking about all the terrible things I did. And I never paid any attention. Blanche Hudson, you wouldn't treat me like this if I weren't in this chair. Blanche? How nice for you. Jane's, Bette Davis, sarcastic greeting to her sister Blanche, Joan Crawford, drips with passive aggression, setting the tone for their dysfunctional relationship. This isn't Blanche's house. It is my house and I can do what I like. This outburst from Jane highlights her possessiveness and her descent into madness. I've got you, Miss Hudson. You can't get away from me that easily. Blanche's chilling warning foreshadows the twisted dynamic between the sisters. Oh, I wish Daddy could be here right now. You can never lose your talent, he used to tell me. You can lose everything else, but you can't lose your talent. Jane clings to the past and her fading stardom, refusing to accept reality. What have you done with your life? A simple question Blanche poses to Jane, loaded with judgment and highlighting their contrasting fates.